Hello there, it's Ricardo from Static Caravans and Holiday Homes in Breen, North Somerset. So today we're going to be taking a look at this one behind us. So this is the 2022 Sunseeker Solis. It's 38 by 12, 2 bedrooms, and it's currently on the market for $59,995. Let's go take a look. Okay then, let's get started. So you can see this is the front of the holiday home. You've got LED downlights and of course patio doors. Let's take a look inside. So when you first walk in, you've got some storage just there with shelves. And of course, there's your hooks there for your coats and jackets. As you walk in, you're greeted with the dining area, freestanding table with a puffy, and there is storage underneath the fixed seating also. Over here is your kitchen area. Plenty of worktop space, integrated microwave there with storage above. Plug sockets there with USB ports, drawers just here. And then in here is your washing machine. Extract fan just here with storage either side. Splashback, 4-hob burner, of course oven, grill and some cubby holes just in there as well. Plug sockets in the corner there. There's your sink and window looking out. More storage below, and then in here is a full-size dishwasher. And then just to the left here is your integrated fridge and freezer below. So moving from the kitchen area, of course it goes from lino to carpet into the living space. You see you've got freestanding furniture. Does have a pull-out bed underneath that as well, so that makes this a 6-berth. Coffee table in the middle, electric fireplace with a mirror above. So your TV unit just in the corner there, radiator there as well. There's your patio doors. Radiator in the corner there as well. Freestanding bits of furniture, plug sockets, storage unit, and of course picture just there. Okay, let's carry on. So this is the guest bedroom. You can see plenty of space in here, quite decent sized beds as well. You've got a bedside unit in the middle with plug sockets, USB port, overhead storage just here. You've got your mirror just here with a shelf, radiator, and then you've got wardrobe space here as well. And then up there you can have a TV situated as well. And then in here is where your boiler's kept. And then in here is the shower room. So you see you've got a vessel wash basin just here, storage there, of course shelf and a mirror. Extractor fan just up there, decent sized shower, toilet and a towel radiator. Of course this is the main bedroom. So you've got a lift up bed there with a bedside unit either side with plug sockets, overhead storage, wardrobe space just here. There's your window, radiator just here. Large mirror there with shelves, plug sockets. And up here you can have your TV situated. And then in here is your ensuite. So of course there's your toilet, pedestal wash basin. There's a towel rail there just above the radiator. Extractor fan there. And there you have your mirror. And there we are, that's the end of the tour. Hope you've enjoyed it. Of course, if you are interested and you wanted to learn more about our park and any plots that we have available, best way to get hold of me is on my direct line, which is 07510 258 875. Of course, my email will be in the description of this video alongside an inquiry form that you can fill out, and I will get in touch as soon as I can. But again, thank you for watching and I'll speak to you very soon. Bye bye.